Hello students. Okay. Okay, in last class we have done up to some questions and we will proceed further in this class. Okay, so let's see. uh, One question that we got stuck into was this one. Let's see. Okay, this is a very easy question actually. I don't know why we get stuck. So this is a given that cos a plus cos square a is equal to 1 and sine square a plus sine की power 4a is equal to, you have to find out. Okay, so this is a format, and this format, whenever there is a question on this format, the answer is always 1. You can even blindly tick the answer and that is the 1. Answer will always be 1. But let's solve it. Cos a plus cos square is equal to 1, so therefore cos a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Okay, cos a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. But this is according to question, but from the identity we know that 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. So that means indirectly cos a is equal to sine square a. Okay, so when cos a is equal to sine square a, you can put sine square a as cos a, and sine 4a is cos square a. Okay, if cos a is equal to sine square a, then sine square a whole square is equal to cos square a. Okay, so you can put cos a in presence of in place of sine square a, and cos square a in place of sine 4a. Okay, okay, so this value we know, which is according to question, is 1. So answer is 1. Okay, according to the question the value is 1, so answer is 1. As simple. So answer is 1. Okay, let's proceed. We have done this question up till here. We have done. So this question was left. We know that a plus b is equal to 45 degree. The question is given that a plus b is 45. You have to find the value of tan a plus tan b plus tan a plus tan b minus 1. So this is a very easy question. If angle a plus angle b is 45 degree, then you can take any value of these angles. Okay, there is two ways to do this question. Either you convert all these into single theta. You can take a is equal to 45 minus b, then you put in place of tan a tan 45 minus b, which is equal to cot b, then you cancel it out. Or you can simply put the value as a is equal to 0 degree or b is equal to 45 degree, or any value, and put these values in these questions and you will get the answer. Tan, if you put a is equal to 0 degree, then the value of tan a is 0, tan is equal to 0, tan b is equal to 1, tan a is equal to again 0, tan b is equal to 1, because tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Tan 45 degree is 1. So 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 minus 1, the answer is 1. Okay, next question. Solve it. 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. So simply in the case of sine and cos theta, you can either solve it or you can simply put theta is equal to 0 degree. For sine and cos function, you can put theta is equal to 0 degree without any doubt. Then when you put theta is equal to 0 degree, you will get the answer as cos 0 is equal to 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4. This is 4. 4 under root becomes 2. So this becomes 2 plus under root 4. When it will come forward, it becomes 2. Again it will become 2 plus 2 4. 2 plus root 2 plus under root 2 का 4 2, then it become 4, then again it become 2, then again it become 4, and again it become 2. The answer will be 2. So the answer is 2. Okay, next question. We have the same format. Cos 4 theta minus sin 4 theta is equal to 2 by 13. Then find the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta plus 1. We know that the value of a square plus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So the value of a की power 4, a4, b4 is a square minus b square multiplied by a square plus b square. Okay, so here it is given in the form of sine, cos and sine. So sine 4 theta plus sine 4 minus sine 4 theta is cos square theta plus sine square theta, and cos square theta minus sine square theta, which is equal to 2 by 13. That is given. Now we know that the cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1 according to the identity, and cos square theta minus sine square theta is 2 by 3. You add plus 1 here and plus 1 there at both the sides, so you get cos square theta plus sine square theta plus 1 as value of 2 by 3 plus 1, which is equal to 15 by 13. Okay, add plus 1 both the sides and you will get this equation, which you have to find out. Then you have to add this plus 1 in right hand side also with 2 by 13. So you will solve and you will get 15 by 13 as answer, simply. Okay, next question is 5 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. Find the value of sin theta. Okay, you know that 5 sin square theta can be written as 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta. Okay, 5 sin square theta can be written as 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta. 3 plus 2, 5 sin square theta. And 3 cos square theta can be written as 3 cos square theta as it is, which is equal to 4 given. Now you take common 3 from these two. You get 3 common and sin square theta plus cos square theta as in bracket. You know that the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And you solve this equation, you get 2 sin square theta plus 3, which is equal to 4 given. So you solve it and you get finally sin theta as 1 by 2. So the value of sin theta is, sin square theta is 1 by 2. So sin square theta is 1 by 2. And the value of sin theta is 1 by 2. So you have the value as 1 by root 2, because under root of, to take out the square, this is sin square theta, which is equal to 1 by 2. So sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, next question. Sin square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 4 plus cos square theta. Okay, you can put theta is equal to 0. Similarly, in the case of sin and cos, you can put theta is equal to 0. I have told you. So cos 0 is equal to 1, sin 0 is equal to 0. You don't have to see this. Sin 0 is equal to 0, and this is 4. 4 plus 1, the answer is 5. Simple. Or you can solve it by taking sin square theta common. 1 plus cos square theta plus 4 plus cos square theta. Okay, in this way you can solve it by taking these commons and then equating the equation. Okay, fine. You have p sin theta is equal to q, and you have to find the value of p square minus q square tan x. Okay, so when you have given a formula that is p sin theta is equal to q, so you have sin x is equal to q by p. Q by p. Okay, so this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So you put it in a triangle, right angle triangle, and you get q p, and you get it by Pythagoras theorem, q under root of p square minus q square. So now you have to find the value of p square minus q square tan x. So for tan x, this is x, not theta, sorry. So p square minus q square tan x will be, the formula for tan theta is tan theta or tan x is equal to perpendicular by base. Any value here as angle is theta, can be written as x also. So this is perpendicular, this is base p, this is b. So you put p by b, multiply by p square by q square from the question, and you evaluate the value of tan x, and it get cancelled out. The answer is q. Okay, fine. If any question you don't understand, you can write it in the comment section. We will re-evaluate in our next class. This question we have done in previous class. Okay, this question, this is a good question. We have sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 2. Find the value of sec theta. So from the identity we have sec square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So you can write as 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this can be written as sec a plus b minus b, sec theta plus tan theta. This is the formula from algebra a square minus b square, है ना? So sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta. So when you have this formula, sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So sec theta plus minus tan theta is given 2 here from the question. So we have 2 sec theta plus tan theta. So sec theta plus tan theta will be 1 by 2. So without solving it, you can directly say it that the value of sec theta minus tan theta is 1 by 2. If the sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta is given as 2, the value of sec theta plus tan theta will be 1 by 2. I have proved it from the formula of a square minus b square algebra. This is a bit lengthy question, I have done it by shortcut. Then you solve it by equating method and you cancel out this tan theta minus tan theta. You get 2 sec theta as 2 plus 1 by 2, this is 2. Adding both of them, you get 5 by 2, and this 2 will come downwards and it will become 5 by 4. So by solving, equating and solving this two equations, you can actually find the answer. The answer is 5 by 4. Similarly, we have this question. This is the easy one. You have given sec theta, sec square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 7, and we know that sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta. So we have 1 plus 2 tan square theta is equal to 7. Then we can solve it. Tan square theta, 2 tan square theta is equal to 7 minus 1. We have 6, 2 3 are 6. So we have tan square theta is equal to 3, or tan theta is equal to root 3, and the value of tan theta is root 3 when theta is equal to 60 degree. So if you have been asked about the theta, then the theta here is 60 degree. Okay, solve it and find the answer. Similar question we have here, same question like we have done it above. Cosec theta minus cos theta is equal to 3 given. You have to find the value of cosec theta. Same question like this one, 21. Okay, sec theta 1. So you have to do it on your own. Okay, we will see these questions in our next class. Okay, 3 questions are left. Okay, so you have given that sine 5 theta is equal to cot 20 degree. So you know that this angle is equal to A and this angle is equal to B. Whenever sine theta is equal to cos theta, then that means that sine A is equal to sine 90 minus A. That means this theta is equal to this theta, which means A plus B is equal to 90 degree. When you solve it, 90 degree. So solve it. You have A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so 5 theta plus 2 theta is equal to 90 degree. So we have 7 theta, and you can find the value of theta is equal to 90 degree, and you can finally solve it. Okay, these are complementary pair. Similar way you can solve this also. Okay, okay, here also we have a question about same concept, sine alpha and sec 30 plus alpha is equal to 1. So when sine theta and sec theta is equal to 1 for tan A tan B is equal to 1, so we have A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So alpha plus 30 plus alpha is equal to 90 degree here according to the question. This is the formula for complementary pair. Whenever sine A and sec B is equal to 1, then A plus B will always be 90 degree. So you solve it by putting the value of A and B. In place of A you put it alpha plus alpha, and in place of B you put 30 plus alpha, which is equal to 90 degree. When you solve it, you get 2 alpha is equal to 90 minus 30 60 degree, and alpha is equal to 30 degree. Then according to the question you put the value of alpha here. Find sine alpha and cos square alpha. So sine 30 is solved 1 by 2 and cos square 30 is root 3 by 2. You make these questions notes in your copy, and you will finally, if you don't understand, then you revisit the video and you will understand. So sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, but it is squared, so you have to whole square it, and it become 1 plus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 4, which is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, the answer is 5 by 4. Okay, first you solve it by taking the values of alpha and beta, alpha, and then you solve it further. Okay, these are from the complementary pairs, all these questions. See that cos 80 and sin 10, they make complementary pair. Okay, whenever two pairs are making an angle of 90 degree, here cos 80 and sin 90 making 90 degree pair, so these can be cancelled out. Also these two are making then angles of 90 degree. 59 plus 31 is equal to 90 degree. Okay, okay, and this two also can be cancelled out. Okay, and this become 1 multiplied by 1, answer is 1. Okay, here similar question we have about the complementary pair angles. Here the questions we are working upon work on the principle of complementary pair, and A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Here the question is tan A plus tan B is equal to 90 degree is equal to 1. So tan A plus tan B is equal to 1 when A plus B is 90 degree. So A plus B, that is 2 theta and 3 theta is equal to 90 degree. It becomes 5 theta is equal to 90 degree. To find the value of theta, we can directly put the value of 5 theta here and find the answer. So 2 cos square 90 by 2, which is equal to